This is what I do, family. I take blueprints and I turn them into a product. Hold on. Okay, fam, this is the last stage of the grill prototype, and I'm gonna show you kind of how you assemble it and put it together. I actually got this last ring I got to put on to actually have it mounted together. Let y'all see. So just imagine yourself cooking something and you over here doing something and the steak on that side. Flip it over here on that side and let's put the steak. This is going to be a nice grill, fam. This is just a prototype. We're not finished yet, but soon you'll be able to see it on the website. That's carbondesigns.com, carbondesigns.com. And remember, code HOG ON.